Hello and welcome to this course on how to use OBS for screen recording and live streaming, completely designed for beginners. Whether you are a complete novice or have some experience, this course is tailored to suit everyone's need. Throughout our lessons, we will navigate the features of OBS step by step, from downloading and installing OBS to exploring OBS settings and general configurations, understanding the general interface, and configuring recording and live streaming settings. We will learn how to create scenes and sources and manage audio mixer, as well as mastering the advanced techniques of screen and camera recordings. We will also dive into the creative elements such as adding filters, effects, and color corrections. We will also learn how to go live on YouTube and Facebook, and how to go live on both of them. Now, by the end of this course, you will not only comprehend the intricacies of OBS, but also you will possess the skills to produce captivating screen recording and engaging live streams, regardless of the platform. So let's jump into this adventure together, unlock your creativity, and start mastering the art of screen recording and live streaming with OBS. I'm Dr. A.S. Abdurrashid, and I'm going to be your guide through this exciting adventure. I'm a lecturer, a speaker that have been creating content on YouTube, and I'm very happy to be your companion on this learning journey. So thank you so much for joining me in this course, and I look forward to seeing you in the classroom.